Hello everyone, my name is Saniya Jain and I am from the batch 2024-26. Recently, I had an incredible opportunity to intern at the Bank of New York, Pune, a global financial institution with over 240 years of legacy. During my internship, I worked as an operation intern under the corporate trust team, where the core of my project was billing remediation, and I was responsible for clearing out fee schedules that was created due to the internal system transition. Apart from the technical work, what truly stood out for me was the company's culture, grounded in strong values, collaboration, and integrity. This gave me a meaningful insight on how global organizations such as BNY functions. This experience not only strengthened my operation understanding but also gave me a real taste of team dynamics in the fast-paced professional environment. I would like to thank Symbiosis School of Banking and Finance and BNY for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.